So this was the bar and restaurant. This is the original state. It's an office space.
I had an error in my Premiere, so I kind of figured it might be that.
So as you can see, here's a more in-depth tour of this restaurant transformation. And I want to show you, as you can see, I'm walking backwards, so I'm cautiously watching my steps so that I won't trip over anything. And we actually did this for a short film. So I had a team of people that helped me set everything up in a very short period of time because we had to film this short film within 48 hours. It was a fun and challenging process, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.